Partially simi hastini Bidhansabha Chengsai rijakkha winter session ni puilani shala 2023 te 2024 bisiwa haste hapani bakhakte nahar jakmani kwbangma samung botangno tui koklam khlaijaka hastefa indrasenare dinalo ashala koklam chengsana swkang puilani bisi katalni kha kaham yafarka hastefa boshaka 2023 bisi sini hakotuni bagai belekheno nangkukmani bisi tongmani tamuni hinba a bisiono sini hakotuni spacecraft talo sogukha Bharat hakotuni mungno hayungni beremo kuchugoti sena bagai shaktari samung khlai tongo hakotor hapang tabo kendro hapangni logiwo yapri thansake sewino kaham lamawo hamkrani bkhago himsak tripura hastebo buri rokno achimung rina bagai self help group hai bodono kahamke chubachori weitango haste hapangni bkhakte rungsrengte shakamni beram rok tabuk hastewo kaham ongkha Haste berai khiri thai rokbo kaham khlai tisaka haste hapang phainai sal rogo haste hapangni bkhakti hastewo sai kotor shakam nokbo phiok jangnai hastewo a shakam nokno snamna bagai tabuk hastewo 200 acres thai naikha hapang a thayo snamjanai kotor shakam nok Kendro hapani chubai dole hangkorobo tekashe medical college snamjanai hene shaka hastefa indrasena reddy nalu
My government has also identified land of about 200 acres and requested the Government of India to arrange for an inspection for ascertain the suitability of the proposed land for construction work of the new AIMS. Also, a proposal under centrally sponsored scheme for establishing a new medical college attached to the district hospital, Dalai, with 100 MBBS students, intake capacity is under preparation. All set to construct a unity mall in the state of Hapania, Agartala with a project cost of 140.2 crores.
Hapani awo okaisa Unity Mall snamna bagaibo koksap naharka haste hapang o mall ni bisingtino tabo hastini te hakotni dalbidal thairok ni simi khei yakbai snamjak mani rok arwa phaljanai heni shaka hastefa o samung butani bagai haste hapang bebagai 140.20 crore rang subaika heni shakabo haste berai khiri thairok no kaham khlaina bagaibo Asian Development Bank ni simi rang sholok nahari hastini nirmohol Kosoba Kali Bari Chiburi Mwtai Nok Ma Chobi Mura de Unukuti Hai Hastini Nangkukmani Bere Kiri Thai Rogno Sunamna Bagayafri Narka Haste Habang.
My government is planning to develop different tourism infrastructure development works with the Asian Development Bank funding at Nilkamal, Kasba, Kalibari Temple, Chaturdash Devata Bari Temple, Chambimura and Unapoti. An agreement has been signed with National Highway Logistics Management Limited for development of ropeway at the 4 different sites. Sri Saurav Ganguly, former captain of the Indian captain team, has been appointed as the brand ambassador for Tripura tourism.
Khurchatai Klayo Bidhansabhani winter session ashalo kisa swkang Thangnai BJP MLA Surajit Datta te CPIM ni Kcham MLA Shamsul Hauq no muito khlai 2-minute sitting ke tongmani yagulono winter session Chengsai rijakkha Bureau report Kokkhorang